Picture this: you're out on a delightful walk with your furry best friend, when suddenly, their joyful paws meet a rough surface that causes an unexpected injury. The sight of your dog's paw pad being torn is heart-wrenching and can leave you feeling helpless. But fear not. In this essential video, we're diving deep into the world of first aid for your loyal companion. Get ready for a journey that empowers you with the knowledge to handle such emergencies with confidence and care. Stay tuned until the end, and let's ensure that when it comes to our four-legged friends, we're always prepared for anything. Welcome back to our channel. Our dogs fill our lives with joy, and their safety is our utmost priority. In this comprehensive guide, we'll equip you with essential know-how on what to do if your dog's precious paw pad is ever ripped or injured. From immediate care to aiding the healing process, we'll cover it all to ensure your canine companion receives the attention and support they need during these distressing times. Let's dive right in and discover how to be a reliable first aid hero for your furry best friend. Number 1. Assessing the injury. The first step in dealing with a ripped paw pad is to assess the severity of the injury. Gently examine your dog's paw to determine the extent of the tear. Be cautious, as they might experience pain and may not react well to being touched. Look for signs of bleeding, swelling, or exposed tissue. Depending on the size and depth of the wound, you may need to provide immediate first aid or seek professional veterinary care. When your dog's paw pad is ripped, it's essential to remain calm and composed while evaluating the injury. Carefully inspect the paw pad for any visible damage, such as tears or cuts. Be gentle during the examination, as your dog may be sensitive and react to any pain. Assess the severity of the wound by looking for signs of bleeding, which could range from minor oozing to more significant flows. Swelling around the affected area might indicate a more serious injury. If the wound appears deep or exposes underlying tissue, immediate first aid is necessary to stop the bleeding and protect the injured paw. Number 2. Stopping the bleeding. If your dog's paw pad is bleeding, it's essential to stop the bleeding as quickly as possible. When dealing with a bleeding paw pad, prompt action is vital to prevent excessive blood loss and to minimize your dog's discomfort. Use a clean cloth or gauze pad to apply gentle pressure directly to the wound. The pressure will aid in clotting and slow down the bleeding. Elevating the injured paw above the heart level can help reduce blood flow to the area. Avoid using excessive force while applying pressure, as it may cause additional pain or further damage to the sensitive tissue. Keep your dog calm and comforted during this process, as their emotional state can influence their physical well-being. Remember that seeking immediate veterinary attention may be necessary, especially if the bleeding doesn't subside or if the wound is extensive. Number 3. Cleaning the wound. Cleaning the wound is a crucial step in the first aid process for a torn paw pad. The objective is to remove any dirt, debris, or contaminants from the injured area to prevent infection and promote healing. Using a mild antiseptic solution or a wound cleanser specifically recommended for pets helps to eliminate bacteria and germs. It's important to avoid using hydrogen peroxide or alcohol, as they can irritate the sensitive tissue of the paw pad and slow down the healing process. When cleaning the wound, do so with care and gentleness, as your dog may be experiencing pain and discomfort. The goal is to be thorough in cleaning without causing additional distress to your furry friend. Number 4. Protecting the paw pad. Protecting the paw pad is essential in the healing process after a tear or injury. By preventing further harm, you allow the wound to heal without additional complications. Keeping your dog from putting weight on the affected foot helps to avoid further stress on the injured area and allows it to heal properly. Limiting your dog's movement can prevent accidental damage to the wound and reduce the risk of reopening the injury. To provide an extra layer of protection, you can apply a pet-safe bandage or a self-adhesive bandage wrap to the paw. A breathable bandage helps keep the wound clean while shielding it from dirt and debris, which can cause infection. However, it's essential not to wrap the bandage too tightly, as this can impede blood flow and cause discomfort. Number 5. Seeking veterinary attention. While immediate first aid is crucial, it's essential to remember that a torn paw pad can be a serious injury that requires professional veterinary care. If the wound is deep, extensive, or showing signs of infection, don't hesitate to seek help from your veterinarian. They can provide proper wound assessment, administer pain relief, and recommend the most suitable treatment plan for your dog's swift recovery. Number 6. Monitoring and healing. During the healing process, it's essential to keep a close eye on your dog's injured paw pad. Monitor for any signs of infection, such as increased redness, swelling, or pus. Keep the bandage clean and dry, changing it as needed to prevent infection. Limit your dog's physical activity and avoid rough surfaces to allow the wound to heal without further strain. With patience and care, your furry friend's paw pad will mend and restore to its resilient state. Number 7. Preventive measures. Taking preventive measures to avoid paw pad injuries is vital for your dog's well-being. Keeping your dog's nails trimmed regularly is essential to prevent them from snagging on rough surfaces and potentially causing tears in their paw pads. Overgrown nails can also alter your dog's gait and lead to discomfort. Additionally, be cautious of walking your dog on hot pavements, especially during peak heat hours, as these surfaces can quickly become scorching and cause burns to their sensitive paw pads. Opt for shaded or grassy areas during hot weather, and if the pavement feels too hot for your hand, it's too hot for your dog's paws as well. Number 8. Emotional support. Beyond physical care, providing emotional support to your furry friend during their recovery is of paramount importance. Dogs are incredibly sensitive and can pick up on their humans' emotions. Staying calm and reassuring in their presence can alleviate their stress and anxiety, contributing to a smoother healing process. Spend quality time with your dog, offer comforting cuddles, and provide a safe, comfortable space for them to rest and recuperate. Your presence and affection can make a significant difference in helping your dog feel secure and loved during this vulnerable time. Remember, being there for them emotionally is as crucial as the physical care you provide. Thank you for joining us on this important journey of caring for your dog's injured paw pad. We hope this guide has empowered you with the knowledge and confidence to handle such emergencies with love and attentiveness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with fellow dog lovers. Until next time, stay prepared and keep those precious paws safe and sound.